Mach solid flat drill, optimized for various hole making. MSFD features a unique blade design that maximizes the efficiency of hole machining. And its rigidity around corners has been reinforced for higher chipping resistance. Ramp, curve, flat, vertical, and other hole-making applications are possible. A single tool of MSFD can perform both end milling and drilling to boost productivity and reduce burr creation around departure points of holes. Mach solid flat drill, optimized for various hole making.